What is up, guys? It's Chris here. Thanks for tuning back in with me. I'd like to first say Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, all that stuff. Hope everyone spend time with their loved ones and stick to your goals, guys. Keep on grinding, baby. But I am heading to work. Oh, I was trying to shift like normal. I forgot it was GP. I am heading to work, and I just wanted to make this little quick video just saying basically Happy New Year's, Christmas. And I also am going to be showing my nighttime settings, so I'm going to show you two different types. Let me know what you guys think. I think I know which one I like the most, but I want to double check and make sure. But yeah, just a quick little video, guys, nothing crazy. And yeah, I'm heading off to work. Look at those dogs. Get it, buddy, get it. So let me know what you guys think about the nighttime settings. But yeah, hope you guys have a good New Year's. Later. Peace. So guys, we have to get the lights, the settings. Is it too dark, too bright, too grainy? For a night ride today. I have my girlfriend in front of me with the Camaro, and then, well, I'm on my bike. We're gonna hit up the wash because the cars are dirty and we haven't taken them out in forever. We're gonna hit up the wash, and then we're gonna go downtown, take some pics, reels for you guys, and then after that we're gonna go eat and then go cruise and just have a good time. And yeah, stick around, guys. Let's get it.
What's up, guys? So I properly didn't do a outro for this video, so yeah, just let me know which settings you liked better. If you guys want to know more information about the settings, let me know. I can do a whole breakdown on both of them. But yeah, those are the two settings I had. If you have any other settings that you'd like me to check out, let me know so I can check them out. But so far I think I like number 1 better. Number 2 is a bit bluish for me, and I didn't like how fast it moved compared to the first one, how like smoother it was. But yeah, guys, catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.